Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I want to thank all of you from all across the world for being here with me today. Those of you who have subscribed to my channel, those of you who are my loyal viewers from around the world, and those of you who have just found me. I know that you're very excited about what I have to offer. It shows with the level of emails that I've received. To let you guys know, we will be launching a new product, a new membership on Tuesday. All right, November 1st, we'll be launching our long-term strategy membership, or Holy Grail, whatever you want to call it. What we call it here is a So Darn Easy Forex Millionaire Combo Membership. We'll be launching that on November 1st. So with the amount of emails that I've received in reference to that membership as well as the strategy itself, there are a lot of people in need, or a lot of people who are interested. All right. Now, just to let you guys know, because of the level of emails that I've received and the type of questions that I've received, I believe that I need to be a little bit more clear as to what the difference might be, or what the difference is between the two. All right. Currently, we are being trained. I'm training my students on the So Darn Easy Forex strategy. All right. That strategy costs $200 when you just buy the strategy. You don't want no training. But when you join when you join the membership, you're being trained on the strategy, and it is costing you $149 to join. All right, either $99 every 30 days or $250 every 90 days. Savings there as well. Now, with the Millionaires Combo strategy, all right, you're getting the So Darn Easy Forex strategy for $200, and you're getting the long-term strategy, which is $275. You're getting them together, but instead of paying $475, you're paying $425, offering a $50 savings. All right. Now that's just if you want to buy just the strategy. You're not interested in any membership. You just want the strategy. Okay. Now my strategies were designed for those who are not interested in a membership. More importantly, those who are already familiar with trading and they just want to add another strategy to their arsenal. All right. Now the membership is always for those who realize they need more training and they're not at that level yet to just venture off on their own. They need more guidance. They're interested in learning Forex through the eyes that I've see the market, and to add that extra layer or extra layers of confidence. All right, so that's when you take advantage of the membership. Now with the membership, all right, instead of paying the $475 for both strategies combined, instead of paying for even the $425 for the discounted on both of the strategies fused together, you'll be joining right now from November 1st to the end of the year. You'll be joining the membership for just $299, saving you quite a bit of money. It's the holidays, you guys, so I'm very considerate of that. All right, and then on top of that, after come to January 1st, the price will go up to $349. Now the monthly membership fee or subscription, whatever you want to call it, the first month or for every month you're going to be paying $125. All right, or if you opt for the 3-month option, you would simply just pay the $325, saving you yet again $50 every 3 months. All right, so I believe that's very fair, considering the fact that it is the holiday season. Everyone's looking to save money here and there, and I greatly understand that. All right, I greatly understand that this is the holiday season. Everyone's doing a lot of shopping, so I really realize the need of saving money. All right, let's say that. Now, so if you're interested in the product, just know that on November 1st, on Tuesday, it will be available, and we will hit the ground running. All right. Now, I know many of you have emailed me about the strategy. You're interested. You're like, hey, can I buy it now? Can I pre-order it? I'm not doing that because it's going to be available on November 1st. It's not that type of situation. It will be available on November 1st. It's not like you're like at Walmart or Target. You're going to run out. It's not like that. I am here. I'm dedicated to this, so don't worry about it. There's nothing to worry about. This is a product, and it's going to be available. All right. Everything's set up. Everything's ready. for you to grab hold on November 1st. All right. So I want to assure you all that things are ready to move to the next level. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this to the next level. Now, I really appreciate those of you who have, many of you within the last upcoming weeks before mentioning this new strategy, many of you have either came back to the So Darn Easy Forex movement, quote unquote, or many of you are looking to come back when the So Darn Easy Forex movement millionaire combo membership launches. All right. I do understand. I do realize that, as a student, you won't need it for forever. My training is set up where you learn this. It doesn't take, I realize that everyone is at a different level. So my style of training is very simple. All right, spoken in layman's terms. So you won't have to worry about needing 3-4 years to learn my training. You won't need that. All right. But of course, when you have a new product come out, people want to get on it. Those of you who have gone through my training before, you know the value that you receive as a member. There's a high level of value there. So that's why a number of people from inception, people are coming back because they know that, hey, I know this brother, he has this great product, I need to get back on it. All right. So and I've talked about this long term for a couple months, and everything happens in proper timing. All right. We don't rush things over here. We do things accordingly. I'm not rushing to get pre-orders for November 1st. Just be patient. November 1st is right around the corner. All right. We were originally supposed to launch on October 1st, but with the passing of my father-in-law, we pushed things back. So it happened, the way that it was supposed to with this strategy. We delayed it for 1 month, and November 1st, we're taking this thing, hitting the ground running, and that's that. All right. So I just want to let you guys know where we are in terms of the product. Many of you have opted for just the strategy because, hey, I realize that not everyone wants the ongoing, payments. Not everyone need the training. Some people are great traders by itself. The only thing that I tell each and every one of you, if you're contemplating joining or purchasing the product, just know that be real with yourself. If you know that you're at a level of trading Forex, but you're not quite there, you're making money, but then you're throwing it away, you're giving it back, it might behoove you to take advantage of the strategy membership, the So Darn Easy Forex millionaire combo membership, rather than the strategy, because you'll get the ongoing training for 30 days in support. All right. Unlike if you just buy the product, what you get is what you purchase is what you get. You don't have the ongoing training. All right. Because I have a high volume student base, I wouldn't overwhelm myself with taking on everything. That's just, that's why everything is priced the way that it is. All right. So you have to make that decision. Take time over the weekend and decide which option will be best for you. There's no pressure involved. I just want you all to make sense out of it, what's best for you, and just go from there. All right. So listen, until next time, you guys have a fantastic weekend. I look forward to speaking with each and every one of you very soon. For those of you who have recently joined, I welcome you to the So Darn Easy Forex movement. For those of you who are contemplating joining, when that time comes, when the time is right, I will welcome you kindly. All right. You guys have a fantastic weekend. Peace. So most of you are wondering what exactly is the difference between the current membership and the So Darn Easy Forex Millionaire Combo membership. Let me explain to you exactly what the difference is. Let's go over to our website. All right. Now, when you're at the website, this is what everyone will receive. Everyone will receive this. All right. If you are here, if you're at the So Darn Easy Forex membership, all right, you're getting all of this. Okay. Now, once this is functional, on November 1st, we will have PayPal buttons here. All right, and they will be, they'll be activated. You can click on it; it'll process the $2.99 and set you up on a $125 every 30 days, or the $2.99 and then $325 every 90 days. All right. Now, what you will receive with the So Darn Easy Millionaire Combo membership would be everything in here. In addition to that, you will receive a much deeper level of training. All right, and it's a deeper level of training taught to you from a long-term perspective. All right, everyone, even when you're focusing on the So Darn Easy Forex membership, everyone focuses on, okay, the short term, really. All right, let me get in now, and then whether I hold it for a day or hold it for a few hours and get out tomorrow or get out later on tonight type deal. All right, everyone has that type of thinking. All right, but when you learn everything taught in the current membership, all right, when you take advantage of the tactics of, there are certain things about the market. Let me say that there are certain things about the market that many people have no clue about, that they could tap into. And you could set yourself up where you have continuous money flowing in. These are the things that a lot of people either don't know, they either don't have the awareness, okay, because certain things just don't come to people. And when you have that heightened awareness, that's when you're able to realize these things. And then when you speak on it to people, they're like, man, well, why didn't I see that? It's because not everyone is aware. All right, you could ride down the road and things are happening to the left and right of you, and you have tunnel vision because you're just not aware of what's really going on. All right, the world has a way of, and I might be getting out of line of Forex, but the world has a way of controlling what you see. All right, it's called programming. So when you take this thinking and apply it to Forex, you become more aware of what's around you. You're not just looking at, you don't just have tunnel vision. So I will, because I already have, apply those same ways of thinking as I always do. I'm going to apply it to Forex, but on a deeper level. A lot of people say, man, I like the way that you explain that. It's because you are aware of, you're really aware of what's going on. You're not just going with the flow, so to speak. You really underwear. Underwear. You really are aware. You really are aware of what's going on, not underwear. You really are aware. So basically, that's funny. So basically, when you have that heightened level of awareness, you're able to see certain things. And fortunately enough, I have that. A lot of people do not have that. Some people are fantastic with numbers, but they might not have that level of awareness that will allow them to be able to explain things and analyze things on a level that I have, that I'm able to do. So with that, the So Darn Easy Forex Millionaire Combo membership, all right, you will have the precision of knowing where the market will allow you to realize getting in the market and taking it all the way home. Not having to worry about looking back behind you to see, let me see if they're coming for me. Let me see if the market's going down. Let me see if the bulls are coming to get me. Let me see if they're coming. Or if the market is going up, let me see if the bear is coming to get me. You don't have to worry about that, because you know when and where. You have perfect timing on everything, and that's what it's about in Forex. If your timing is with precision, you won't have to worry about who's coming to get you. If the bears are going to come get you because you're going long, or if the bulls are going to come get you because you're going short, you won't have to worry about that. So everyone's fixed on making money, but how many people really want to put their money inside of their account and just let it ride? Just let it ride. That's the benefit, and that's what I've been able to do. When you're able to hold a trade for over 30 days without being worried about, you're just watching the market every day to see if it gives you more of a bias that it's going to keep going in your direction, you fall back. If it gives you a reason to think otherwise, then you know what? I don't know, I might be getting out of this. All right? I might contemplate getting out of this. So that's what you do. And that's what I teach. All right? And that's I'm going to really take it to a different level. See, a lot of things I cannot say because people are not on that level yet to really receive it. All right? And this is what I tell you all, when you all get to this level, when you're ready for the Millionaire Combo membership, I want to tell you something. Make sure you're ready to take on this information, because if you're not disciplined, you do not want it. I'm telling you, you have to be disciplined. You're not getting no information that you're going to just go and find inside of some book somewhere and just apply it. You're being taught how to do it. You will be handheld, so to speak. All right? But you won't be, I will expect you to have a certain level of knowledge. All right? I'm not going to expect you to come in green. You have to come in knowing something, because it's just important. It's going to help you out. It's going to allow me to move the movement along further. All right? Now, the only thing that I have to say about that membership is this. Nothing bad. It's good. If you're the type of person who say, you know what, I know that I'm new, but hey, you're offering both of them as one package, I'm getting in. You can do that because you're getting everything that you would receive with the first membership. But when it comes time to train you on the material for that particular membership, because we're going to have the days where we're going to be training, you're going to get a 3-hour training as well, all right, weekly. When we have those training sessions, we're not going to be talking about basic stuff. We're not going to be talking about this, a lot of the basic material. It's expected that you're going to be there. We're gonna talk about it, but we're not gonna hammer it like we do with the one membership. All right, you're gonna be to put it all together. But I hope that everyone, when you decide to join, you're at that level already, and you pretty much know what things are. That way you won't be lost. And that's the thing. I don't want no one to be lost. In your own time, you can study on your own. You can do this. You can do that. take advantage of the private members area and all of that, and take advantage of all the videos that I have, and you could take advantage of that. But it's best that you already have a foundation already. All right, that way you're not joining and trying to play catch up because people are already ahead. I want this to grow. I want us to grow forward and not have dead weight, so to speak. Because as you're driving, it's sort of like as the group is pulling the load along, if you're falling back, then it's not like we're not going to move forward. I'm not going to continue teaching, but I want everyone to move forward. Cohesively. I want everyone to move forward. So I just want you to understand. I want you to realize rather that when you join the So Darn Easy Millionaires Combo membership, I would rather for people to have gone through the first membership. You don't have to, but I would rather you to. It would do you a service. All right. I cannot force no one to do anything against their will, but this is just, regardless of what route you take, if you're more concerned about the money factor, you're saving on both ends, and so it doesn't matter. I take care of my students, but it's more about that knowledge. And you could say to yourself, well, I'm getting more knowledge to get in the long term. Okay, you're getting the long term, but you can have access to all of it too with the long term, with the Millionaire Combo membership. You have access to everything. But at least it would be better when we're having our 3-hour training that you're right there with everyone else, so that you're not coming in late, or you're not coming in where you're like lost, But regardless, it doesn't matter where you're coming in, because we're starting on November 1st. We'll have people joining next November 1st. All right. Regardless of where you come in at, there will be videos that are recorded from previous sessions where, regardless of when you come in, you can still catch up on those. But it's always better to have a certain level of knowledge coming into this Millionaire Combo membership first, which is why I always pointed people who were interested in just buying a strategy to buy the So Darn Easy strategy first if you were brand new, and not the long term. Don't chase the money. And that's the main thing that I want to get over to people. Do not chase what you feel will bring more money in. Chase that knowledge so that you can achieve the financial reward. All right? Because just getting a product that's priced higher or will, in your eyes, bring in more money, it might do you a disservice at first because you don't understand it. You don't realize how to use it. Okay? So just want to be clear with everyone. I hope this have summed up or answered a lot of your questions. You guys make sure you have a fantastic evening. Enjoy your weekend. Talk to you soon. Peace.